Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the Bluetooth not available issue on a MacBook. So first of all, from the top right corner of your screen, open the Control Center. Here, click on the Bluetooth option. Now turn Bluetooth off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on again. This will refresh the Bluetooth connection and in many cases fix the issue instantly. After that, check if the Bluetooth option is working properly again. If the issue is still there, let's restart the Bluetooth service using Terminal. Press Command plus space from your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here, type Terminal and press Enter. Once Terminal opens, type the command that you can find in this video's description and then press Enter. After that, enter your MacBook password if prompted. This command will restart the Bluetooth daemon and macOS will automatically relaunch the Bluetooth service in the background. Now check if Bluetooth is available again on your MacBook. If Bluetooth is still missing, let's check the hardware status. From the top left corner, click on the Apple menu and open System Settings. Now go to General and then open About. Scroll down to the very bottom to find System Report. If you click on it, a new window will pop up on the screen. Here, from the left sidebar, find and click on Bluetooth. If it says no information found, then your MacBook is unable to detect the Bluetooth hardware. In most cases, this usually means there may be a hardware-related issue with the Bluetooth chip. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Bluetooth not available issue on a MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.